if you consume alcohol again, then I will lock you up, and I'm not going to play this game with you again.
Hello.
Hello, brother.
Morning, Mr. White.
Hello, Your Honor.
How's jail? Shh. How's jail? Good. The worse a jail visit is, the higher likelihood you have of actually considering when a judge tells you to do something that you will actually do it, right? You, my friend, have been on the lam for 24 years.
Sir.
20. I don't think we've ever had someone with that kind of just.
No, this is a record.
I don't want the record. I don't want it. But this was also unusual because they had a misidentification of an FBI number. So it's 2 for 2.
But he's got to know at some point you can't just continue to run that, the long arm of the law is at some point.
At some point, yes.
Get you, right?
Absolutely. But as I said, Your Honor, he's here. He's got his family here. His son is here. He has 4 kids, and he's working. And I've told him that he must go to Wisconsin, and they're going to hire an attorney up there. I bet you a dime to a dollar.
Why haven't they hired a lawyer already?
I have an attorney.
That question, and
I
to
do
try
have
to
an
figure
attorney.
out.
Well, I mean, Your Honor, I don't know. You remember practicing law.
Sure.
Sometimes they just put their head in the sand.
And I guess at that point, the counsel is to be proactive because you know that.
Right.
So Dave, what do you think?
Well, just.
I have a hard time giving someone a bond that's been on the land for 24 years. I'm going to say that now. I really do, Mike. As much as I love you and appreciate you and your tenacity.
Yes, sir, and I'm going to be tenacious because 24 years, he was here 4 years ago. They took him into custody on the terroristic threat, a misdemeanor, and it's done. I mean, and I understand, he's still here. And so I hear what you're saying. I just know that if you're taking care of your kids, if you're living in the same place for a period of time, I think that he's going to take care of his business. The purpose of bail is to ensure his appearance in court and to secure his appearance up there. If we leave him in jail here, and that's the alternative.
Well, it's not leaving him. It's just we are now going to ensure that Wisconsin gets their man.
No,
because
we're ensuring that he's available for Wisconsin to get him. We don't know if Wisconsin's going to come.
They're gonna,
Say it again?
they confirmed the warrant flag. They're intending on coming unless they change their mind in the last 24 hours.
Right.
The DA's office does want it, Judge.
Yeah, I mean, everybody says that.
I can't imagine after 24 years, they're going to say, you know what, just forget it.
Well, I can't imagine prosecuting a delinquency of a child.
Well, one of the cases is a robbery.
Yeah, but we don't know the extent of it. It's not aggravated,
That's
right? We don't know.
not what we fight here.
No, I understand. I just think he should be entitled to a bond. He's going to take care of his business. He goes and takes care of it now. You give him 2 weeks.
I promise,
Mike.
Judge.
I'm sorry?
I promise.
Yeah, you promised before
When he was 18.
when you were 17. And then, the thing is Mr. White, don't try to throw other people under the bus. That's not cool. It's all on you. And for you to try to blame it on anyone else is just disingenuous, man. The case, it's 24 years. You've had 365 days for over 24 years. You've had that in the little back of your mind thinking, God, out of sight, out of mind doesn't work with the law.
I've actually hired an attorney prior to this in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. He was working on a deal with the district attorney's office there. Okay, I hired him. He's been hired under $5,000. I paid him the contact to work a deal with the district attorney's office. He told me he was working a deal with them.
What's his name?
Hold on. Is my son here?
Yeah.
He knows his name. I have his number.
It's irrelevant. It doesn't matter. The name, just what matters is action. You telling me something is going to go in there, go out that ear, because I know that you've done this before and you've never followed up. I can't in good conscience give you a bond, man. It's 24 years.
My son, I have a 2-year-old son. And he's going to Texas Children's. He has a genetic disorder. That I can't leave here because this his life depends on it. He has a rare genetic mutation. His name is Mariano. He has a rare genetic mutation, and his condition is life or dead. I've sought the best doctors in the country for him. I came here for him to treat my baby. His name is Mariano. His doctor is, Gary Clark, neurologist at Texas Children's.
That's ironic. Gary Clark is my running buddy for 30 years. He'll be back from San Diego next week.
And I know Gary Clark.
I understand, and the good thing that you have.
Like the video and subscribe to the channel if you like the content.
It's just for the baby, sir. I don't care about myself.
Thankfully, that you have a loving sister and you have a loving son that are willing to help you out, so that baby's not getting thrown under the bus. But I'm not going to allow you to sit here and use your baby as a means of trying to get a bond when you've been on the land for 24 years. I'm just not going to do it.
I'm just telling your story.
May I please the court?
Sure.
Based on what I see, how the tea leaves look like they're rolling, maybe we come back here in 15 days? Because I don't think he's going to sign. He may sign the waiver.
Oh, he's going to refuse?
Well,
I mean, if so, let us know now so we can get the governor's warrant, because the thing is then there's going to be another 90 days.
no, I understand that. I'd like to have a short period of time to talk to him about whether he wants to waive.
Of course, he hasn't waived yet.
No, he's refused.
Okay,
Oh,
you
can we
got to
carry-
understand that.
Can we carry him till tomorrow? Okay.
I mean, there's no, but
I mean, I know, I can tell the family now, the judge is not going to set the bond. You have two options.
I love you, Mike. I really do. But 24 years, that's unreasonable.
It's pretty impressive.
For me to be able to just, it's,
No, I got it. We'll see you tomorrow.
okay.
It's a pleasure. Brother, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. All right. You have to go again?
What is the one thing I ordered you not to do? And why are you here? So one of two things is evident. Either you don't care about bond conditions, you don't care what judges say, or you have a problem. But, we ordered you not to use. It's a serious case. It's a DWI second offense, and you're using.
Your Honor, I don't blame myself, but I know after we left court.
How is it possibly your fault?
Well, Your Honor, it's because typically what I do with my clients, I emphasize to them the bond conditions and I reiterate how important they are to follow them.
I emphasized on her ad nauseum when she was here last time.
I sincerely,
Stephen, sorry?
I apologize. I know.
If you kill someone on the side of the road, do you think that apology does anything? If I had one strand of hair for every single person that told me sorry in here, holy moly, I would look like Gene Simmons. But no. Bond conditions are in there for a reason, right? And when you fail to live up to them, there's one thing that happens. She goes with you. Come talk with me back. Alex. I'm now putting a monitor on your ankle so I know that you're not using at any time at all times. You will now get a scram device on one ankle so I know that you're not using on your other ankle. I'm going to put a GPS monitor and I'm now giving you a curfew. You are not allowed to be out in the middle of the night. Do you understand? And if you ever test positive again, your bond will be so high that it's going to reach the clouds. Do you understand? You will be taking the Dodge Patas everywhere. No more driving as well. Do you understand?
I can't go to work.
I didn't say you couldn't go to work. You're on a very serious second DWI, and you're continuing to consume. I want to do everything in my power to protect the public. I don't want you on the street, and I don't want you out in the middle of the night. You're continuing to use. It scares me. Do you know every single day someone dies from an alcohol-related collision in this county? Every single day. And I will do everything in my power to prevent it from happening. I'm modifying your conditions now in lieu of taking you into custody. You can sure do it the other way around. You know, Joaquin,
Yes, sir.
we can always reapproach with conditions at a later time. But I want to
Yes,
know that my Houston is protected, because that's the only thing that matters to me. Do you understand?
Yes.
There
Yes,
are
sir.
other ways, and you need to be able to find it. But I can't trust you in the car if you're continuing to use when we ask you not to use. I will give you a curfew of 10 p.m. to 6 in the morning. You're not allowed to be out past 10 p.m. If you violate curfew, if you consume alcohol again, then I will lock you up, and I'm not going to play this game with you again. You understand? Okay. All right, just take a seat for me. We'll be back with you here shortly.